The player Ikoran game, and now I will run the code and show you your output. This is a game. Game is over. I collide with the white. So now I will explain the code. This is a math library, random library, system production, and TQ is used for this. Width and height of the game, FPS, player speed, these all are variables. These are the colors and save and gold colors. Circle dash collisions. If circles are collisions, then they will board circle circle collisions. There are two circle collisions. Functions are defined. Hires. What are hires? Bouncing rectangle hires. Which are rectangles shown in the game. That's a code of their random randint width height. There are defined and rectangular drawn. Update. Trash orbit. Crack the relocate pedigree. Crack the relocates pedigree. Which sometime after there is a moving. Why they are moving? There is a code of this and echo path buffer. Replay a recorded path with time offset. Display to the player. This is a code of this and draw. There is a class game is defined where the echo runner, which is a graphics are designed. System font, width height is defined and as echo map echo self. This is a this is a this is a echo which is run with the speed of which is we use it. Update menu, draw menu, update run, and game is over. Draw run. I hope I will explain the code well. If something is mistaken by me, please like and subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more that's like videos.